Okay, so today basically what we are learning is all about the Venn diagram. So previously we have learned about the Carroll diagram, okay, which is more on the drawing on the box of left right. Okay, so you have to arrange it. So that is what we learned last week. So this week what we're gonna learn about Venn diagram. Venn diagram, it's basically you draw circles. Okay, whether it's two circles, three circles, and a box. That's pretty much about Venn diagram. Okay, first of all, let me show you a video on how the Venn diagram works. How do you create a Venn diagram and how do you analyze it? So let's watch the video.
To understand Venn diagram, we need to look at just two sets. A set of people who like soccer, A, D and G like soccer, and a set of people who like cricket. B, C, D and G like cricket. How do we represent these sets using the Venn diagram? Let S be the set of people who like soccer. It can be expressed using just this circle. We write the elements A, D and G inside it. That's the Venn diagram of this set. And let's call the second set C. For a Venn diagram, all we need is a circle. And we write the elements B, C, D and G inside it. That's how simple the concept of a Venn diagram is. But what's the advantage of drawing a circle and writing the elements inside it? It helps us understand two important concepts: union of sets and intersection of sets. How? We will see that in the coming videos.
Alright, so let's just draw the simple one first. Okay, let's for example this one. Okay, let's say for example there is two Venn diagram. Alright, directions. Complete the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram sentence below. Place the sentence in the correct category, same or different. Okay, so this one, it's what is different and the other one is the same. Okay, this one both has. Okay. Okay, so this one a little bit about history, so let's just skip this one. No, this is easier. All right, but this one I cannot move. So I'm just going to type it down. Okay, so let's say for example over here, let me make smaller. Can you guys see? Is it too small? I'll just do like this. Still good, right? Okay, so let's say this diagram over here, this Venn diagram, one circle represents anything which is round. One represents everything which is smooth. Let's say for example, basketball. Is it round? Yes, it's round. Is it smooth? It's also smooth. Okay. Okay, so your writing is smaller bit because you need lots. Okay, so let's say for example, basketball, it is round and smooth, so it's in the middle, which is the intersection. All right, then let's say for example, window is not round, okay, and it's not smooth. So what I do is that, it's window smooth? Yes, it is. So it's on the green side. Okay, balloon. Balloon, is it round? Is it smooth? Yes, it's in the middle. Egg. Is it round? Yes. Oval, round. Okay lah. Consider round. Okay, round and it's smooth, so it's in the middle. Very good. Okay, fork is not round, but it's smooth, so you put it outside here. But tire, fantastic. It is round but not smooth. That's why it's at the side. But basketball, is it smooth? Do you guys think basketball is smooth? Any basketball player here? To me, kind of smooth to me. Okay, so let's assume basketball is round and smooth, okay? Okay. So golf ball is also round and smooth. Okay, so this is round, but it's not smooth, then you put here, but it's round and smooth, so it's over here. So it's basketball as well as golf ball over here. Understand the difference between outside here and inside here? This is what called intersection. Bubble is round, but you cannot touch, it's not like smooth or anything. So it's outside here. Because you can't touch it, it's not like smooth or anything. So you cannot put in the middle. Understand? Okay, good. Marble, is it round? Yes. Is it smooth? Yes. So it's round and smooth. So marble is in the middle. Teeth, oh, thank you. Yes, teeth is not round and it's smooth. Fantastic. Understand how to do this? Oh, golf ball is not smooth, apparently. Okay. Me and ball's not good. Okay. All right, golf ball, basketball is not smooth. Okay, it's bumpy. My bad. Okay, so basketball, golf ball, tire, it's round but not smooth. Balloon, egg, marble, and bubble is round and smooth. And a window, fork, teeth, it's smooth but not round. Understand the difference of this column, and this column. It's like our art class today, like our abstract art today. Okay, understand? Understand. Let's move on to next. Okay. Okay. Can 2, 4. Okay. Can Joe and Nana put here, and Jensen and over here, both J here. Okay, and Harold do this part, and Yuna do this part. Okay. All right. Okay. The middle part, I'll do it later. Okay, go ahead. Please write down on the screen.
Done already.
Okay. Jensen, Harold?
What is even? What does it mean? I also don't know.
双数, odd even, odd even. You know that? Even, it means that 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, it's even. Any number at the back which is end with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 is okay, these two no need to do first, okay? Yuna and Harold no need to do first. Do the top first. Okay? Okay. So let's go through together. Let's go through together. Let me mark. Okay, greater. So basically all the number which is greater 500 something, 700 something, and 900 something. Very good. That's greater. Okay, then the rest is all smaller. It's over here. 2, 1, 2, 1, 4. 2, 1, 700 something is greater this side. Okay. Okay. All right. So what? Okay, let's do one by one. Okay. I'll do step by step with you. Okay, Joanna, good. Okay, now what happened is that Jensen do all the even first. Okay, even, good. 260, 172, 136, 728. Good. So all these are the even and all this number. Now, do you see any number that is the same? Like for example here, 728 and 728. Do you see it's the same? If it's both the same, you write on the intersection place, because this means that it is greater than 500 and it is also even. Understand? So then you don't, oops. Excuse me. So
I clear.
Okay, thanks, Joanna. So here you just write 260, 172, 136. Okay. Any question? Do you understand now? Oops, 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 oops. Okay. Do you mind Jensen and Joanna here? Because I always keep on raising it. Understand the questions? So you just write whatever fulfill here and whatever fulfill here, then only when both same you write in the middle. Any questions? Okay, so choose any three of your own numbers and add them to each other. Add them into each of the Venn diagram in the correct order. Okay. Okay. Let me clear. Okay, so we understand the top one. Okay, this one they didn't give you any number, so up to you, any number you like. Okay, so you now write any number that is less than 400. Let's say, for example, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 23, 32, any number. Okay. Then let's assume that Harold write any digits and add up to 10. Means that, let's say, for example, 5 and what become 10? 5 and 5, 55. What are the other numbers that add up become 10? 6 and 4. Or 4 and 6. 1 and 9. Fantastic. So any number. So now when they combine, then only you see any number that is same. Let's say, for example, here I write that 19. So then say, oh, both same. So I just write both over here. Understand? Give any example you like. Okay, so now can Yuna and Harold try to do it by yourself? Try to do your version. Okay, Harold, Yuna, try to do here. Your own number, anything. Yuna and Harold. Okay, here, one by Joanne, one answer by Joanne. Here, one answer by Jensen. Okay, Joanne 1, Jensen 1, Yuna 3, Harold 3. Okay, please write on the screen now.
Teacher, what is digit add up to 10?
Digits add up to 10. You're not paying attention just now. Like for example, 5 plus what become 10?
5 plus 5.
Very good. Let's say for example, number 6 plus what become 10?
Number 6 plus 4.
Very good. Let's say number 1 plus 2 plus what become 10?
Plus 7.
That's right. All these are digits add to 10. Got it?
Okay, I know already.
Okay. Joanna, in English, it's nicer if you say, thanks, I understand now. Okay, I know it's a bit arrogant in English. I understand Chinese is normal. Okay, but in English, say, thanks, I understand. Okay? Got it? Hello, hello, Harold. Hello, hello, Yuna. Good, Yuna got it. Okay, Yuna got 2. Good. One more. Harold, any number that add up to become 10. Be it 2 digit, be it 3 digit.
Done.
Harold. Okay. So I just
Don't know.
Okay. So any number to add up together become 10. 6, 4, 1, 9, 2, 8, and so on and so forth. Okay. So it add up to 10, yet it's less than. Good, good, good. No, this one is out because it has to be less than 400. So this is more than 400. So this one out. Understand? Okay. So this one, this column, it means that it fulfills this criteria as well as this criteria. Okay, so this will be your first homework. Okay. Okay, next, this one. Same thing. Okay, now let's do the other way around. Let's have Jensen and Joanna. Sorry. Jensen and Joanna, do the one that you need to think. Yuna and Harold. Okay. Okay, go ahead, write on the screen. Jensen, can be bigger number, please. Bigger number, because this one less than maybe. Here will go to yours. Go to center. Can something more than 80 as well? Give 2 more than 80 and 2 less than 80. Yuna and Harold. Harold, do you know how to do this?
I know.
Okay, please write on the screen then. Okay, shall we discuss? Okay, so we have odd numbers here. This is odd, this is odd, this is odd. This is greater, greater, greater. Very good. So you have odd and greater in the middle. So very good. So we have 1, 2, 7. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. 58. Why it's not here? 58. Okay. So now let's see a little bit. Okay, so here let's erase and let's erase. Okay, now this thing is what I want to teach you next is that 58a, it's not greater, yet it's not odd. So where do you put? You put it outside. Understand? So it's like 70, put it outside. Done. 35, good. 110, 27, 30. Okay, 30, put it outside. So that's pretty much how the answer look like for the top question. Understand? Understand? So we learned how to do this part and this part. We also learned about intersection and we learned about the exterior side as well. Got it? Okay, so this multiple of 10. 202 is not multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 is put anything right in front. Jensen, can you add something in front? Red at 130, 220, 360, whatever. Okay. Okay. So this one, it's multiple of, why cannot put 30? Because multiple, it'll be over here because it's less than 30 already. And it's 10. So you put here. So these are the multiple of 10, yet less than 80. So here it has to be more than 10 and multiple of 10. So awesome. Awesome. Any questions? Okay, I think you guys are very good in this already. You guys get the hang of it. Okay. Okay, now this is a little bit more complicated. Now, instead of filling the information, now you're gonna count. Okay, so now you're gonna fill up this chart. Okay, I'll give you guys 5 minutes to do it by yourself. Okay, do it 5 minutes, do it by yourself. Okay, then after that, I want you to privately type in the chat what's the answer for A column, B column, C column, and D column. For example, you can type in the chat. A, it's like boys. Boys like tennis is here, don't like tennis is here. Boys that doesn't like tennis. This is a boy that doesn't like tennis. Boy that doesn't like tennis. Boy that doesn't like tennis. So it's Jamie. So you type to the chat A, it's Jamie. Like that. Okay? Okay. Please type the chat type the answer through a private chat to me before we discuss. I'll give you 6 minutes to do this. This is a little bit harder. It get harder by a little bit by a bit. Excuse me.
So, teacher Shireen,
Yes. Yes, what do you say?
you not type the answer to everyone.
It's okay, no problem. Try to type private to me if you can, okay?
tapped to you already, teacher.
Yes, I received it. Okay, shall we discuss? Okay, let's discuss, all right? Okay, let me erase everything. Okay, number one. Okay, this is a boy. Boy generally here. Okay, which likes tennis. Likes tennis is here. Okay, boy and like tennis, so it's in the middle. So this is the part that boy and tennis. So this is Dan. Anna is a girl, so out, it's over here. Does it like tennis? No, so it's not even here, so it's going out. So here's Anna. Sebastian. Sebastian is a boy. Does he like tennis? Yes, a boy and likes tennis, so it's Sebastian in the middle. Okay, next. Rosie is not a boy. Does she like tennis? Yes, so she's inside here. Jamie, is it a boy? Yes. Does he like tennis? No, no tennis. A boy that doesn't like tennis is over here. There's Jamie. Okay. Megan. Megan is not a boy. Does she like tennis? No, she doesn't like tennis either. So Megan is outside. Do you understand how to see the chart now? Understand? Okay, so I think some of you got pretty well all correct. Okay, okay, so that's pretty much for today's work. Okay, this one I'll need you to do it by yourself. Same thing, do it by yourself. All right, so that would be the few homework we are doing today. Everything about filling in the blanks of the Venn diagram. Tomorrow we gonna do about how to analyze and how to interpret the Venn diagram. Okay, that's pretty much all for today. Okay, tomorrow I'll go a little bit deeper about three circles. All right. Okay, that's all.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.